at lola looks at life half full or half empty? May mga kilala kayong mga taong ganon? Meron? Punong-puno na ng blessings yung buhay nila, hahanapin pa nila yung kulang. Nakuha yung sinasabi ko? May trabaho sila, pero tinitingnan nila, ewan ko, ang pangit ng opisina namin. I mean, they look for what is lacking. Sino dito may asawa? Taas ng kamay. Tingnan mo, may asawa ka. Yung iba wala. Pero ang ginagawa nila, yung asawa ko kalbo. Yung asawa ko, ewan ba, mapadaldal. We look for what is lacking, and we don't understand the blessings that God has given to us. Alam nyo, may sasabihin ako sa inyo, I believe, say this with me, put your hands over your chest, and say this after me, I am a product of my thoughts. I am a product of my beliefs. I'm going to share with you now how to develop a positive mindset. But before I do that, let me share with you the 5 blessings of having a positive mindset. Alam niyo, brothers and sisters, there are winners and there are losers in life. Everybody say winner. Everybody say loser. Do you want to be a winner or a loser? Say that again. If you want to be a winner, alam niyo, one of the things I realized, there is no difference between a winner and a loser. The winners are not more intelligent than a loser. The winners are not more talented than a winner, than a loser. No, there is only, I think, very few differences between a winner and a loser, and one of them is this. The winner has a grateful heart, has a positive mindset, can see the blessing in the midst of the difficulties. Ang winner may positive mindset, may positive belief sa kanyang buhay. The loser does not have it. The loser can be more intelligent than the winner. The loser can have more talent than the winner. Are you getting what I'm saying? The 5 blessings of a positive mindset. Number one, you increase your self-worth. Alam nyo, ang isang tao may positive mindset, nakikita niya yung beauty ng kanyang buhay. Nakikita niya yung kanyang goodness. Nakikita niya yung kanyang greatness. Everybody say with me, I'm beautiful. Sabihin mo yung katabi mo, baka hindi naniniwala. Sabihin mo sa kanya, you are beautiful. Somebody with a positive mindset, he has self-worth. Lahat ng tao hindi nakikita yung kanyang kabutihan, siya nakikita niya. Number 2, you grow in endurance. Everybody say that. Bakit? Kasi ang positive mindset, nakikita niya the light at the end of the tunnel. Nakikita niya yung reward, nakikita niya yung finish line. Yung isang taong walang positive mindset, hirap na ako sa buhay. Bakit po ganito ang dami kong problema? They do not see, they all see darkness. A person with a positive mindset will not give up, will hold on. No matter what happens, nakikita niya, may reward to. Blessings will come. Kalabit mo yung katabi mo, sabihin mo sa kanya, darating na ang blessing mo. Huwag ka mag-give up. May mga tao nag-give up. Darating na. Pangatlong blessing, kung bakit tayo kailangan may positive mindset, you enjoy your relationships more. Pakibasa. Totoo to. Mas enjoy ka sa pamilya mo. Mas enjoy ka sa asawa mo. Mas enjoy ka sa magulang mo. Mas enjoy ka sa mga anak mo pag positive ang mindset mo. Bakit? Taring sa akin, bakit? Nakikita mo yung kabutihan na hindi nakikita ng iba. Nakikita, and you're able to forgive. You're able to forget. You have a positive mindset. May kwento ako. Merong 2 lalaki naglalakad sa beach. Yung isang lalaki, may dalang aso. Tapos gusto magyabang. Hindi sila magkakilala. Naglalakad lang yung dalawa sa beach. Sinabi niya, pare, meron akong aso, special. Talaga? Bakit special? Sinabi ng mama, pakita ko sa'yo. Kumuha siya ng driftwood, yung mga kahoy-kahoy lang sa beach. Tinapon niya sa dagat. Nang pagkalayo-layo, yung aso, tumakbo papunta sa dagat. Naglakad sa taas ng tubig. Naglakad. Kinuha yung driftwood, bumalik. Yung lalaki, yung owner, napaka-proud na proud, talagang happy. Oh, anong sa tingin mo yung aso ko? Okay ba? Yung pangalawang mama, umiling. Yung aso mo, hindi marunong lumangoy. Ganon yung mga walang positive mindset. Tinitingnan yung kaibigan, yung asawa, yung anak, yung magulang. Tinitingnan, sinikilatis, hinahanap yung ano, yung mali. Hindi nakikita yung kabutihan niya. Nakukuha niyo ako? Pag may positive mindset ka, enjoy ka sa mga relationships mo. Bakit? Hinahanap mo yung kabutihan niya. Hinahanap mo yung mga magagandang katangian ng mga tao sa buhay mo. Number 4, you're more successful in life. Do you want to be more successful? The only way to do it is to have a positive mindset. To wake up every morning and say, yes, I see the opportunities for growth. If you do not have a positive mindset, brothers and sisters, you do not see the many opportunities to grow, to develop, to increase, to multiply your life.